So moving on to number 2, just reminding you that in this section, quite a bit we're going to be using the derivatives with x to some power. I'm asking myself, how can I rewrite this as separate terms with x to some power? So this is the same as 1 over 2x to the third minus 8x to the 1/2 over 2x to the third plus x over 2x to the third. So I just split those up into separate fractions. So now I want to rewrite this as constants and x to some power. So this is 1/2 x to the -3. This becomes minus 4 because 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 1/2 subtracting 3 is negative 2.5, or better said, negative 5 over 2. So that's x to the negative 5 over 2 power. And then this is plus 1/2 because this has a coefficient of 1. And this is x to the first power. 1 minus 3 is x to the -2. Now that I've rewritten my function in this form with constants and x to some power, it's much easier to take the derivative. So f prime of x equals, for the first one, it's going to be 1/2 times -3. And -3 minus 1 is x to the -4. The next term is -4 multiplied by -5 over 2. X to the, well, -5 over 2 minus 1 is -5 over 2 minus 2 over 2, -7 over 2. And then this becomes 1/2 times -2 x. -2 minus 1 is -3. Now you could be doing a lot more mental math here. I'm just showing every step. So now to simplify, I have -3 over 2 x to the 4th. This becomes plus 10 over x to the 7 over 2. And this becomes subtracting 1 over x cubed. And so this would be our derivative. So get in the habit of rewriting your function with constants multiplied by powers of x to apply this differentiation rule.